Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. Hope everyone is doing good out there. In today's show, we will improve our chatbot by using variables, entities, and topic redirects. We will use the same existing chatbot which we developed in the previous two shows. So let's dig in and see how this can be done. But before that, a small intro. So let's create a new topic. Click on new topic and enter a title here, return items. In the trigger phases, type the trigger phrase, I want to return a product. Right, click on add. All right. Now you can add 4 to 5 trigger phases. I'll add few others like return a product, product return, right? So you can add few more trigger phases. Now click on save topic. Now go to the authoring canvas, and as you see, all the trigger phrases are added here. Now you have to type a message. For example, you can type, sorry to hear that you are not happy with your purchase. Right? I can help you with that. Right? So once you write this text message, click on this add node and ask a question. So you can ask here, what is the purchase price of the item you want to return? So we have to define a return policy based on the price range. So we will add a variable to capture purchase price of that item in a variable here, right? So let's select the multiple choice options. Okay, now search for number here and select this. So as the amount will be a numeric field, so we have to select that, and then click on edit variable to give a name to the variable. You can write here purchase price of product as the variable name, right? And as you see here, there are two types of usage, topic and bot. So this can be considered as local variable and a global variable. So topic variable can be used within a topic, and bot variable can be used throughout the bot in all the topics. Let it be a topic variable and click on save. Now click on this close and add another node for the conditions. Now we know what is the purchase price of the product in this variable, right? Now we have to add a condition, and based on that we have to branch the conversations accordingly, right? So click on add a condition, select the variable purchase price of product is less than. So for example, if it is less than $1,000, then you can return it through mail, right? Otherwise, for all other conditions which is greater than $1,000, you have to physically go and return it in the store. Now click on add node and show a message. Type a store address where you want customer to return the product. 1234 Kings Street, Melbourne, Victoria, and pin code, right? And then add another node to the end of conversation with survey. right? So select end of conversation and end with survey. Now coming to all other conditions. So you can add a message here that please bring your receipts to return in a local store. Then follow this to ask the customer if they know the store location. Now click on add a question. Do you know your nearest store? Now save this in a Boolean variable like yes no variable, right? So we have to select Boolean. So by default it will be a yes no condition. You will not see in this authoring canvas, but in the when you test your bot it will show yes no conditions there. So you can edit this variable and give a good name to this. Customer knows store location. So this variable will save either yes or no value, right? So let it be a topic variable again and click on save. Once this variable is created, now we have to add another condition to check if that variable is yes or no. So based on that, click the node, add a condition, select the variable customer knows a store location. If it is equal to true, then we have to add another node and end the conversation with the end of survey. Otherwise we have to redirect the user for all other conditions. So if it is false, so customer doesn't know which store location is nearest to him. So we already know we have a topic about store locations. So rather than repeat the information in this topic, we will link this to the other topic, which is the store location, right? So we will click this node and we will click this go to another topic. Click that and select this topic, stores near me. Now click on save. Okay, here you see at the top dialog saved successfully. Now click on test your bot. Test the topic you have just created by typing how to return a product. Make sure the track between topics is on. Click on send. Now click on this button to open the variables watch section on this utility bar. So as you see here, the variables are not set as of now, because once the user enters the purchase price for the product, then that variable will get set. Suppose user enters 100. So as you have seen, the variable for the product price was set to 100, right? So now it's redirecting to the end of conversation. The product price is less than $1,000. It's telling the address that the user has to return the product by mail at this address. So like we have not given the complete text here, so we can edit that text later, right? So again we can answer yes or no here, and it will go to the feedback rating page. Now suppose we reset this and type another time how to return a product. So now for example, you type the purchase product of more than $1,000. Right? Now you see it's going to the question node of the topic which you have saved. and asking, do you know your nearest store? So again, if you type no, then it will redirect to the stores near me topic, right? So if you see here, it's going to stores near me topic, which we created in the earlier shows, right? So as you remember, we created this new store. If you have seen that video, I will put a link on this show so that you can visit that tutorial as well if you want. Otherwise, you can go to the playlist to see all the videos in order, right? So now if I click on new store, the address of new store will be displayed, and it's going to the end of conversation, and again it will go to the feedback screen. Now let's see the use of entities and slot filling in Power Virtual Agent chatbots. So let's hide the bot and go to entities. Guys, what is natural language understanding? It's basically the ability of our virtual agents to understand what the user is telling it. It also helps the bot to identify entities in a user's input. An entity is basically represents a real world subject, such as a phone number, a zip code, a city, or even a person's name, right? So your bot can smartly recognize the relevant information from user's input and save it for later use. So let's see how we can create an entity. So let's click on new custom entity, give it a name here. Like we can give shipping options. Now enter a list item here, write standard shipping. Click on add. Expedite shipping. And store pickup. So as you see here, synonyms are added for each of the list items you added. Synonyms allow you to recognize that something the user typed matches an option you provided. So for example, for free shipping, you can add complimentary shipping as a synonym, right? For expedite shipping, you can add 2-day shipping or overnight shipping as synonyms. So if the user types any of these, they will be matched appropriately. It will be a kind of a smart matching. The bot will try to match an item on the list based on whatever the customer says, right? So also note that the smart matching option should be on, because it enables the bot's understanding of natural language, as you see here, right? So it should be on. Now let's add synonyms. For standard shipping, write free shipping or complimentary shipping. Click on done. Add synonyms for expedite shipping, same day shipping, same day guarantee delivery, fast shipping, or it may be 1-day shipping. Right? Click on done. Now let's add synonyms for store pickup, self pickup, in store, store pickup, right? Click on done. Now click on save to save this entity, shipping options. Okay, now close this window and go to topics, create a new topic, type it as shipping options. Now give few trigger phrases. What are my shipping options? Can I have a free store pickup? Can I get free shipping? provide same day shipping. Maybe how does shipping cost? Right now, click on Save Topic. Go to the authoring canvas. Now add a message here. We provide different shipping options to help get your orders as fast as you want. Now click this node and ask a question. Which shipping method do you want? Click on Identify and change the entity to shipping options, which we created in the earlier step, right? So click on that. Click Select Options for User and click all these three options to display it. So this is the variable where one of these options will get saved. So edit this variable and name it accordingly, like shipping method. Right? Let it be a topic variable. Click on Save. Close this. Add another node for a condition and select a variable shipping method. So when this is equal to expedite shipping, add another condition here. Select the same variable is equal to store pickup. Add another condition here. Select the variable is equal to standard shipping, right? So we have selected all the three conditions, right? I have left the standard shipping for all other conditions, but it is a bit risky because if user types anything, he or she will land on that all other conditions logic, right? So it is better to apply this logic for all the three types of shipping. So for all other conditions, let's assume that user doesn't want to select any of these three shipping options and he or she wants to talk to an agent. So click on the node and click the end of conversation and transfer to agent. Now for these three types of shipping, we have to give some message to a user. Like for example, you can enjoy expedite shipping at $10 and it's guaranteed for same day delivery. Like that, you can give a separate message for each type of shipping. For the store pickup, you can write another message: free order pickup or free ship to store, right? So within 24 hours or so, we can write within 24 hours and add another condition for the third type of shipping, which is a standard shipping. Click on node, click show message. Like we provide standard shipping for all orders and it will be shipped between 3 to 7 days. Now under the expedite shipping, click on this icon and go to end of conversation and click on end with survey. and you have to join all these 3 other messages to the same end of conversation. So click on this plus icon. So you see a pink dot here, you click and move this to the other pink dot and it will get connected. Similarly, connect this, which is a standard shipping, to the end of conversation. Now click on save to save this topic. You see a message here, dialog saved successfully. Now click on test your bot to test the functionality which you just created. Click on this variable watch button. Type a message here, what are my shipping options? Now you see here all 3 types of shipping options are provided here: standard, expedite and store pickup, right? So now if we select expedite shipping, which is this one, you see here the variable value was given as expedite shipping, right? And it's giving the message of the expedite shipping which we entered. Now click on reset to start a new conversation. Now again type the same question, what are my shipping options? Okay, all the options are provided here. Now you type, do you have fast shipping? You can see here a expedite option here, but still if you ask this question, notice the topic variable values. Now let's reset the conversation one last time and see how the proactive slot filling works. So instead of asking about the shipping methods, just directly ask, do you have fast shipping? And after you click on send, notice the variable value of shipping method. It will be expedite shipping automatically saved, right? So click on send. Notice the variable value here, which will come in green color. See, expedite shipping is displayed here, shipping method. So this time, instead of asking what shipping method you did like, the bot already knows the answer and skips that question, taking you directly to the fast shipping information. So this is basically a very powerful feature which allows your topics to be more intelligently handling the conversations, because it skips questions it already knows the answer to. So guys, congratulations, you have updated this bot very successfully with the variables, entities and topic redirects. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions regarding this bot. Please do subscribe to Power Cubicle Guy. Thank you guys and see ya.